I'm gonna show you how to drain standing water that's in your LG front loader washer. Say for instance, you got standing water. You see in here, I have water. So I'm gonna show you how to drain that. First, what you wanna do is hit your power button. You wanna go over here to the spin. You wanna click until it goes to no spin. And there you go, 1 minute, hit start. Now it's gonna start the drain cycle. No spinning, it's just draining the water. And you hear the draining, it's still draining. And that's it. And you can open it up. As you can see, it still got a little water in it. And what you can also do is try to spin. I'm gonna hit that, and I'm gonna just go to spin. We'll just do a little spin. But if you do a spin, that's a 6-10 minute cycle. But it did get most of the water out with no spin. So if you want to just make sure you get all the water out, just do this low spin cycle. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.